Hello friends, welcome all. Today in this particular session, let us discuss about cell cycle and one of its major phase called interphase in detail. One of the most important characteristics of the living cell is its power to grow and divide. When a cell reaches the limit of its size, it divides into two parts and these parts grow to their full size and divide again. So, new cells arise by the division of the pre-existing cell. And the sequence of events by which the cell duplicates its content and the division of the cell itself into two is known as cell cycle. And there are two major phases in cell cycle called interphase and mitotic phase. Interphase is the prolonged period between one mitotic phase and the next. It is the longest phase in which the preparative activities of cell division occur. In a typical human cell, out of the 19 hours, interphase lasts for 18 hours. The interphase has following characteristics. It is the longest phase and the metabolic activities are high in this phase and the cell grows during this phase and the nucleus is large, distinct and intact. Nuclear membrane is also intact. Nucleolus is distinct. No division occur and mRNA and rRNA are synthesized and this phase prepare the cell for mitosis and in this phase the chromosome appear as long uncoiled threads and they are intertwined. On the basis of the synthetic process, interphase is divisible into three phases called G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. In G1 phase is the gap period between a mitotic phase and the S phase of the subsequent cycle. It is the first growth period and the daughter cell grow and increase in size during G1 phase. There is no change in the DNA content of the cell. Whereas in S phase, it is the active stage in the interphase and during this phase, the DNA synthesis occur. In G2 phase, it is the gap period between S phase and mitotic phase of a cell cycle. It is the second growth period. Synthesis of RNA and proteins continues. During this phase, a cell contains 2 times the amount of DNA present in the original diploid cell. Thank you.